In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create assets in Figma. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical. So by the end you'll know exactly how to turn your work into reusable building blocks. Start by opening the design file you are working on. Once it's open, decide what you want to save as an asset. This can be a single layer, an entire frame, a shape you've drawn, a text label, an icon, or even a group of elements. The key idea is that an asset should be something you expect to reuse, like a button, a card, or a navigation bar. Select that layer, frame, or group on your canvas so Figma knows what you are targeting. With your selection active, look to the top toolbar under the Design section and click the Create Component icon. It looks like 4 small diamonds forming a larger diamond. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, use CMD-F on Mac or Ctrl-Alt-F on Windows. The moment you do this, the object will turn purple. That color change is Figma's way of telling you you've made a main component. Behind the scenes, Figma also adds it to your Assets panel so you can find it quickly later. Now, open the Assets tab in the left sidebar. You'll see your new component listed there. This panel is your library of reusable parts. From here, simply drag the component from the Assets panel onto your canvas. Each time you drag it out, you are creating an instance. Instances are linked to the main component, which means if you update the main one, like changing text style, spacing, or colors, those changes can flow to all the instances, keeping your design consistent without repetitive edits. If you don't immediately spot your component, make sure you are in the correct page of your file and that the Assets tab is visible, not the Layers tab. You can also resize the panel to see names more clearly. When placing instances, align them to your layout grid or snap them to other elements to maintain visual rhythm. You can customize instances where it makes sense. For example, you might change the text label on a button or swap an icon while the spacing and visual style remain consistent. This flexibility lets you design faster without rebuilding the same element over and over. If you are unsure which item is the main component, select an instance and check the right sidebar. Make larger design changes on the main so they propagate reliably. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.